Today we're looking at forest fundamentals. I like the packaging. I also like the name a lot as well. I'll put all the information in the description box below, and let's have a look. So I have, see that information before. This is the Stealth Tinder Wicks. This pack includes 1.1 meter of wax infused natural jute wick. The wicks are water and wind resistant and have a burn time of 1.2 hours. That is a total cumulative burn of 6 Bic lighters. Alright, that's good information there. And there's some more information there, but I'll put everything on the screen. Let's just cut some and see how it burns. I'm going to use my knife from C4 Custom Knives. Cut that bit there. Nice size bit. Let's just zoom in a bit. So I'll just fluff this up a little bit. Hit that with a ferro rod and see if it burns. Yep. That went pretty quick. Good heat coming from it. Yeah, that's a good slow burn there. See that? Yeah, I mean that's like a long match at the moment. Very good. Well made. Let me just duck it out and try again. Just gonna open the strands up a bit. So this is a 4-strand pack. Sorry, light. There we are. Let's just fluff one of them up. I mean, from that little piece, you're gonna get, if you're using it like this, you're gonna get a lot of burn out of it. I mean, a lot of different fires out of it. Let me just scrub that up a little bit. Hit that with a ferro rod. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. See again there. Ooh, good flame on it. Duck that out again. There we go. And then you can see it there. Oh, it's lighting really well. This is a family-owned business. They have a passion about bushcraft and the outdoors. I'll put a link in the description box below. Also, I'll put a discount code down there for 10% off if you're interested in this product. Let me know. Again, it's Forest Fundamentals. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, very good flame. I mean, for a fire wick, this is it's doing really well. Alright, so we know it lights. I just want to see how it lights from how far. Whoosh, there you go. Very good stuff. And that distance is what? Is a 6-inch ferro rod? So about nearly a foot away. Very good.